Log into your account. Click e-procedure on the sidebar. Click online inquiry on the menu bar. Click online request from the drop-down menu. The request block opens. Click the new button to start your request. Click the drop-down arrow under the search tab for nature of request. Scroll and select Withholding Tax Certificate on the list. Select Yes from the pop-up window. Type a brief description of your objective in the object box. Example: the objective could be printing of withholding certificate. Type a comment if you wish to do so. This is not mandatory. Scroll down to the next block and click Withholding Tax Certificate arrow. The block opens. Select the applicable tax type. Next, select the period that the withholding was made. To do this, select the start date and then select the end date. For example, you can select the start date of January 1, 2024 and the end date of April 30, 2024. Scroll up and click Save after you select the period. A pop-up message tells you that the request is saved with a code indicated. Click Send. Go to the menu bar. Click Online View Taxpayer folder. Click Online View Taxpayer folder from the drop-down list. Select List of Requests tab from the sub-menu that opens below the main menu. Now you can see the list of all validated requests. Click the Print button to print the certificate of your choice.